Everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Seriah Alexus, and I normally post personal development videos, vlogs, beauty and fashion videos, but today we're gonna be doing a unboxing video, so I'm really excited. Just a disclaimer, I'm not like a tech savvy type of person, so if you're looking for that type of video, I have a video linked down below. I'm just giving my honest opinion, first review, things like that. I've been in need of a new iPad. Let me show you guys my old iPad.
No.
I've had this iPad. Oh, you can see the camera. Hey. I got this as a Christmas gift when I was still in high school. So many hands have touched this. Obviously, I've let children play with my iPad, which was a big mistake. I mainly bought this iPad for like creative purposes. I'm not in school, so I don't need it for notes. So yeah, that's the main reason why I decided to get a new iPad. Also because mine looks like that. I was on that website every day until it finally came, and it came early, so super grateful for that. All right, so this is the box. I'm gonna open it. So I was so nervous that I was gonna do this whole video. I waited to film this video and it wasn't gonna be my iPad. That would have been embarrassing. Okay. I haven't like gotten a new Apple product in a really long time, so that's why I'm excited. Oh, I gotta do my thumbnail. Oh my god. Okay, so this is my first unboxing video ever, so please don't come for me. But I'm gonna try to do this right. Just like ASMR, like approved. Yep. That's so cute. Alright, I'm not at home, so I don't have my desk. So I'm gonna try to, you know, do everything on my lap here. So let me just show you everything that's in the box. This is a charger. I think it's like the USB-C or something like that. You know how Apple do their pamphlet box. We love it. And I think that's it. This is what it looks like. It's really thin, so I like that. It feels thinner than my iPad mini that I had. Oh, and it has double speakers. And I thought that the iPad Pro only had that, so I'm actually really excited about that. All right, so let me turn it on.
That's so nice.
I know, I got the iPad Air in rose gold. Another thing that I got is I got my name engraved on the back. That is my personal brand, and I started an LLC for my personal brand. So I put that there just to make myself feel good, you know, that I did that. To engrave your name is free, so why not, you know? I got this dupe Apple Pencil type of thing off of Amazon. I'm not too sure yet if I'm gonna like it or not with the iPad. It kind of looks like the Apple Pencil. So I'm thinking of buying an Apple Pencil, probably a used one, just because like the price is like, no. I got this off of Amazon. I have it linked down below if you don't want to get the Apple Pencil and you want to get something cheaper. This is just a regular stylus, but it is rechargeable. And then I also got these screen protectors, and it's like that paper-like feel. I am going to be using this for creative edits, so I want to make sure that it kind of feels, it's like easier for me to write with. I also got a case. Well, I'm gonna buy that tonight because I cannot, like, this cannot get messed up. Whichever case I decide to get for this, I will also have that linked in the description box. I just wanted to show you guys me setting it up. Okay, United States. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPad to sign in and set up. Oh, okay. Set up your new iPad. This will transfer your current settings. You can also set up this iPad manually. No, I want to do it like this. No freaking way it's that easy. But with these new iPads, instead of having the home button, this one has the Touch ID at the top. At first, I didn't think I was gonna like that. So let's set up my Touch ID. It says I need iOS 14. Nope, I can't do it, guys. It says here, bring an iPad running iPad OS 14 or later. But then here it says, make sure it's running iOS 11. God, I'm gonna have to set it up manually.
There's other ways we can do it. Okay, good. So I don't think this is supposed to happen like this. Exactly,
Yeah.
which is what it should be, and then it turns around and says 14. So there's something funny going on, and I think we might have found a bug.
So I think I'm just gonna set this up manually. I just want to get this done. Everybody, it is the next day. As you saw from the last clip, I had some problems setting up my iPad. For some reason, I couldn't transfer my old information onto my new iPad. While I was talking to the guy, I realized, the Apple Care guy, like there's not really much on my iPad to lose for me to be stressed out about like everything transferring over. He did end up calling me back and saying that there is something wrong with the iPad or something, like there was a bug. I don't know. Comment down below if you had that same problem. Maybe they're fixing it, so we'll see. But
Hello.
I'm in love with this thing already. Last night I was going through trying to organize all my apps. I'm going to show you guys. Another thing that I should have mentioned in the beginning of the video, I got the 64 gig iPad. I think you can get up to like 128 on this, or 120 something, and I got it for, I think it was $5.99, so basically $600, including New York's tax. Yesterday, another update, I also put on the screen protector. The Touch ID sensor at the top, the power button is really sensitive. Like you can just place your finger on it and it opens. I put my old screensaver from my old iPad on here. If you guys want, I can put them on my Instagram story so you guys can screenshot them. When I open it, it's still not really like set up like I want it to be, but I just tried to make it organized, you know, for the time being. I just searched up minimalist background on Pinterest and I put this as the background. Like I said, I'm mainly going to be using this iPad for business, so I have all of that on the first page. So my Asana, YouTube, all my YouTube apps, Pinterest, because we love Pinterest. Follow my Pinterest. It's like all of my favorite things in one place. I just found out you can follow people on Pinterest. I have Google Drive because I use that for everything, photos, and then other creative stuff. These are all my creative apps here, and these are all my like productivity apps, which is pretty much all like Google apps and stuff. And then I have apps that I use for modeling and castings and all that. And then the apps that I have at the bottom here, I use those the most, I would say. So the reason why I put these apps down here is because, yeah, let's say if I'm on Pinterest and I quickly need to go to like, let's say I want to go to music, I can just swipe it up like that and it comes up on the side here. And then these are all social media apps and social media planning, so I can do my editing on here. Then I just have some shopping and like just like basic stuff, games. I only have 2 games. And then there's the Apple tips. They really tell you how to learn all these different shortcuts. I'm not gonna go in depth of the apps that I have on here. I can do a whole separate video on that. I don't wanna ramble on too much because, you know, this is my first unboxing video and I don't know if you're supposed to talk this much. I feel like I've been talking forever. But just a few last points. So I do want to download the app Procreate. It has so many good reviews. A lot of people use it to make their thumbnails and also just like creating these cute graphics. I wanted to test out the camera for you guys. Hopefully that's helpful.
I'm not sure I understand.
Okay, so these are my feet. Wearing slippers. This is my laptop here. So this is the back camera of the iPad. And now for a photo, I'm gonna take a selfie. Yeah, I like it. I think the front camera is pretty good for this iPad, so good score for me. Definitely give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my videos. And any type of engagement like liking, commenting really helps out my channel and boost my channel up so that more people can see my videos. So I really appreciate that so much. And I thank each and every one of you guys for watching my videos. If you made it to the end, thank you so much. I love you guys. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Lips sealed like pillow talking on no rag. In my earlobe got 2 carats, VVS. Got a penthouse near Rodeo off of stress.